Welcome back. I'm Kaylee. Nice to meet you. I hope you're doing super great. And today we are going to unbox the Sephora Play. What do you think about that? Does that sound like a good thing to do? You probably already seen from the title, right? But yeah, I just got it in the mail and we're gonna do it because why not? I don't want it to be sitting there waiting all day long. I mean, all month long. So we have books being read here with the little ones and all that goodness. So Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box and it's only $10 a month, and you get deluxe size items, and it's in this, usually in this nifty little bag. It's always different. And whenever you sign up, I've already done other videos. Can you tell? When you sign up, you, and if you're interested in these videos, in the description bar is down below is where you'll see more to my channel and all that good stuff. So don't forget to check out down there, and also you'll see the link so you can get your own Sephora Play box if you're interested. So when you sign up, as I was saying, you get you take a little personalized test. So it'll ask you if you have like curly, I'm pretty sure curly hair, and it's been so long to be honest, but it does ask you a little thing to fill out your profile, dry skin and combination and all that. And so yeah, here, have a seat. Oh, you dropped your book. Here, say hi, my name is Angelica, me llamo Angelica. Check that out. Here, put it in the box. Ooh, maybe we can just check out this real fast. Not the guys. So this is what it comes with, and it gives you a little gist of what is inside. I already had checked my email earlier, and I know one thing, and I'm kind of excited about it. It's just a matter of what the shade is. So I'm holding on to a mirror in case I need anything, but I don't think I need a mirror, but. And this is what it was. They're good. Shade 8. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. Blurring skin tint with sunscreen. SPF 25. It's just, I checked it just this morning and I was like, I wonder if it's going to have my correct shade. Lo and behold. That's impressive, Sephora. That's impressive. So I'm excited to try this. It's just a sunblock, sun tint. Oh no, I'm gonna close my door. But that's cool too, and it's blurring and all that goodness. Bright, quick cover, a weightless skin tint that blurs imperfections and perfects skin. Awesome. And then on here, you see this? It says 50 Beauty Insider points. If you make a purchase from Sephora, you go in store. It only works in store, and they'll give you an extra 50 points when you do that purchase for that month. Sorry, it's a little loud. They're playing. She's playing. The next is this Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep. Ferulic and retinol. Ooh, let's see right away. A clinical strength peel with a high dose of retinol to fight signs of aging. You cleanse it after cleansing at night. Thoroughly massage treatment pad over dry skin and allow to dry. Follow with moisturizer, and don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. Pretty cool, you guys. Pretty cool. I'm checking. I just put on this lipstick, so I know it is a non-transfer, but like I had just put it on, and you know it does take a moment to dry down, just a moment, and it's like still finishing up. I'm trying to do this quickly, yeah, quick and fun and not too rushed, because I know I have a habit of I feel rushed when I watch myself, and I totally don't mean to give off that feeling. It's just my lovely Angelica, she's this morning, today's family day, our day off, so Carlos's day off, so he was hanging out with me a while ago, And she literally, she's like, nope, I want a nurse. And she's like kicking him away and all that. So I'm telling you, she is extra on another level. She's extra, extra. She's so cute. So, ¿verdad, mamita? ¿Eres chula? She's like, don't talk about me. So, next is this Verb Mild and Color Safe Cleanse Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. I've tried this and it's a decent shampoo and conditioner. No complaints with that. Ooh, I just got this too, and as like one of the, it's Legos. One of like the bonuses. Yeah, the codes. What is it called? The promotion codes before the VIB. This is Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It says to use it both 2 times a day, day and night. I had read up on that. Ooh, look at this. Buxom. Plump Up the Volume Full On Plumping Lip Polish. And let's see. Oh, and Celeste. I was just going to say, I wonder what color it is. I do not have this. And yeah, I'm up for that. A little lip gloss. Sometimes I'm not interested in the lip gloss. Oh, it has glitter. I'm not going to open it, to be honest. I'm trying to be good about this. I don't foresee myself like reaching for this. I mean, it's really pretty. I don't know. I want it, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to leave it aside. Do you guys want to see it though? I know. It's too cute, right? We're going to swatch it. That's like the only thing to swatch. You don't need to see my skin color tint, do you? My skin tint. Last but not least, bless you, is this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. That's cool. Have you ever seen this before? It's like a primer, and it's highlighty. Oh, it's brand new, and I already have one opened, so it's just a shimmery. It's in the shade Opal. So, you guys, this is, I know it's good stuff. I just feel guilty, not guilty. So that's that, we talked about that. I just don't want it to go to waste by opening it. So I'm sure you understand. You can totally get it. This is cute. And I know if I don't use it, you know who will. My lovely Pilar. She's outside hanging out with Papa. She's enjoying her outside time. Except the mosquitoes, they get her bad and never fails. But anyways, no, she hasn't gotten bitten up today, but I'm just like, that's just the typical thing of why I'm always like, okay, it's time to go in, mosquitoes are out. Anywho, I hope you do have a great day, great week, great month. If this is all you're here for, I'll see you next month in the next unboxing. Let me know what you got, what you're interested in, any of these items that you think you'd be willing to or interested in, if you're curious about them, you know. I was curious about the Makeup Forever thing, even though the whole, yeah. Anyways, I was gonna say cruelty-free thing, but that's like for another video. And I just hope you guys are doing great. Have a blessed one. Don't forget to drink water. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notifications and all that good stuff. And I appreciate you, and you eat more plants. Get your workout in. Have a great one. Bye-bye. I know, so not professional and smeared swatches, but that was the Buxom in Celeste. It's pretty.